quadratic equations, மூணு important questions choose பண்ணிருக்கேன். இதை எப்படி solve பண்றதுன்னு பார்ப்போம். First one is found the equation whose roots are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. So, ஒரு quadratic equation form பண்றதுக்கான formula நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும். It is x square minus sum of the root x plus product, which is equal to 0. This is also written as k into x square minus sx plus p, where k is some constant. So, for sum of the roots, we know what the roots are, 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Sum of the roots is adding them together, alpha plus beta, 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3, add for 9, you will get 4, because root 3 and root 3 is getting cancelled. And product of the roots, alpha into beta, it is a plus b into a minus b. So, it is a square minus b square. A in the 2, b is root 3, other square when you subtract, you get 1. So, you got s and you got p. So, simply you have to substitute in the formula to get the equation. So, this is k into x square minus sum is 4, 4 into x plus product. Product is 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So, in the equation, factorize பண்ண சொல்லி find the roots in கேட்டிருந்தா, you will get the answer as 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. You will not be able to split this by factorization. You have to use the formula, quadratic formula to get this. So, bidirectional in the question எப்படின்றது நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். Question roots கொடுத்தா equation formula equation கொடுத்தா we can be able to find what the roots are. Okay. So, second one here, find the value of p for which one root is of the equation kx square minus 14x plus 8 is 6 times the other. So, இது வந்து உங்களோட choice தான். You can take one root as 6 times the other root. You can take alpha as 6 beta or beta as 6 alpha. So, equation வந்து px square minus 14x plus 8. So, ஒரு equation கொடுத்த உடனே immediately you find out what is sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. இங்க abc வந்து a is p, b is minus 14 and c is 8. Don't make mistakes with the sign and correct and the coefficients choose பண்ணுங்க. So, minus b by a என்றது என்னாகும்? Minus of minus 14 by p, which is plus 14 by p. This is sum of the roots. And product of the root is equal to c by a. Product of the root is equal to c by a, which is 8 by p. Now, we are going to use this hint that is provided. Alpha is 6 times beta. So, then இங்கேயும் substitute பண்ணலாம், இங்கேயும் பண்ணலாம். Okay. So, we'll substitute alpha is 6 beta. அப்போ இங்கே 6 beta போட்டா என்ன ஆகும்? 6 beta plus beta is equal to 14 by p, which implies 7 beta is 14 by p. Right? 7 beta is 14 by p, which in turn tells you beta is 2 by p. The 7 comes down, 14 by 7 becomes 2. 2 by p will be sum of the roots. Okay. In a product, you replace alpha as 6 beta. Alpha as 6 beta will replace panninga. You get 6 beta into beta, which is 6 beta square, which is equal to 8 by p. Hope you understood this. So, in the alpha is equal to 6 beta, ரெண்டு இடத்துலையும் யூஸ் பண்றோம். சம்லையும் ப்ராடக்ட்லையும் பீட்டாவோட வேல்யூ தெரியும் 2 by p. Now, put that here in place of beta. So, basically, you have to understand what is alpha, what is beta. One question multiple places you are seeing alpha and beta. So, alpha is going to be alpha throughout this question, whatever the value is, right? So, அங்க sum of the root இருக்கிற alpha எடுத்து ப்ராடக்ட்ல சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்றதோ, ப்ராடக்ட்ல இருந்து sum சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்றதோ, இந்த transitions clear பண்ணணும் without any confusion. So, இந்த beta கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம், அதை வந்து இங்கே சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்றோம். 6 times 2 by p the whole square. 2 by p the whole square, which is 8 by p. இதிலிருந்து we will not have any problems finding out the value of p. Question அதுதான். So, 6 into 4 by p square is equal to 8 by p. In the p only cancel out. And 24 here, 8 here. 8p is equal to 24. P is 3. That's it. So, this is your second question. Okay. இதெல்லாமே அந்தந்த கேட்டகரியில மோஸ்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். இதை மாதிரி you might get some different number based questions or p வந்து ஏல இல்லாம b ல இருக்கலாம் or c ல இருக்கலாம். That we are going to manage somehow. Okay. So, in the condition alpha is equal to 6 beta, எப்படி clear யூஸ் பண்றதுக்காக தான் இந்த question. And third one, this is the equation 1 plus a square into x square plus 2abx. இதுல வந்து the equationல என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, it has real and equal roots, then prove b square is equal to c square into 1 plus a square. So real and equal rootsக்கு நம்ம discriminantோட formula தெரியணும். b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That's why we get real and equal roots. So இங்க abc என்ன identify பண்ணிக்கோங்க. This is your a, coefficient of x square. This whole value is your b, coefficient of x, and the independent term is your c, the constant part. Okay, so direct on value for b square minus 4a into c. As per the condition, real and equal roots is equal to 0. See how the calculation part is even more important here. It is square பண்ணிடுங்க because it is 2ab the whole square, 4a square b square. Don't immediately multiply this, okay? So now see this 1 plus a square, இது அப்படியே நான் வச்சிருக்கேன், b square minus c square is equal to 0. Since you have 4 common, or you can divide 4 both the sides, you can get rid of the 4. This is the basic idea in the entire calculation part. Minimize the number, reduce it to a smaller value so that dealing with that is not going to be difficult. எப்பவுமே பெருசு பெருசா ஆக்கிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் சின்னது பண்ணாதீங்க. So divide throughout by 4, divide throughout by 4, or take 4 common, bring that 4 here, becomes 0 by 4, which will be 0. So 4 வந்து vanish ஆகும். Now you will expand a square b square minus, see the brackets that I'm using. And the minus is going to be coming from all the terms following that, okay? So the minus 1 plus a square மட்டும் யூஸ் பண்ணாம இந்த bracket போட்டு first உள்ள multiplication முடிச்சிட்டு then we'll bring the minus sign inside. So now I'm going to expand this 1 into b square, 1 into c square, a square into b square, a square into minus c square is equal to 0. All right. Now I'm bringing this minus sign inside, opening the bracket, a square b square minus b square plus c square, right? Minus of minus, minus a square b square plus a square c square is equal to 0. இது நல்ல திருப்பி ஸ்லோவா ஒரு தடவை பார்த்துக்கோங்க. Bringing this minus inside, all the sign within the brackets gets changed automatically because of the minus sign. If the a square b square like terms cancel out the opposite sign. இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு என்ன வேணும், b square வேணும். So take it to the other side, okay? b square is equal to c square plus a square c square. Take c square common, 1 plus a square. That's it. Okay. So அழகா condition என்னன்னு புரிஞ்சிட்டு அதுக்கு என்ன formula யூஸ் பண்ணணும், ABC clear எடுக்கணும். Expansion part, don't make mistakes. Okay, simplify as much as possible wherever it is possible, and then reduce it to the maximum. You will get the answer clearly without any problems. See you all soon in another video. Practice this. Until then, take care.